Good afternoon, guys. This is David with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with this Studio 3 wireless charger port replacement video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace this piece here. This is the charger port that is located on the right side of your headphones. And let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is replace this ear pad. And I'll be using a pry tool. Just go ahead and pry this ear pad up. You can get rid of this old ear pad tape. I'll be using some new ear pad tape to install the ear pads. Alright. So now that you remove the ear pad, you can go ahead and unscrew this speaker, and I'll be using a small Phillips screwdriver. Once you unscrewed all the screws, you'll be able to pop this speaker up just like this. And now you have access to the charger port. And what I like to do is, let's first remove this little rubber piece. Let's not lose that. And I like to remove these wires that are being held by glue with a heat gun. So I use a 200 degrees at about 50 airflow. What you want to do is heat this charger port up a little bit. Don't want to heat too much of it, as you can melt the speaker housing. So I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver and kind of remove this glue here that's covering the points. Alright, now use the heat gun again and kind of want to remove these wires. Heat the glue, it comes off pretty easily. Just like that. Once you've loosened this up a little bit, we can go ahead and unsolder all the wires that are connected to the charger port. Alright. Now that we have the charger port on its own, we can go ahead and add a little bit of heat. So what Apple did was they put glue on the back end of this charger port, so you need to heat it up in order to remove it. So once you got those wires unsoldered from the charger port, you can go ahead and remove this speaker by first heating up the glue that's holding it in place. And what I like to do is get a solder iron and kind of just give it a little bit of heat to the port. The best place I'd like to put heat is right here, these points. Just hold it there for a little bit and let the heat travel down into the bottom of the charger port, which should kind of loosen up the bonding in the glue. And then use a flathead screwdriver from the back, and boom, the charger port comes out. So as you can tell, it was glued right here, and we loosened it up pretty quickly by applying heat. So now you want to grab your new charger port, placing that down, and Now we can solder the wires back on. All right, once you got this charger port soldered on, you can go ahead and put this white wire back into its place, just like that. Put the rubber back onto the charger port. And now we can shut the speaker. Gotta align it properly. Make sure there no wires are in the way of the screw holes. And we can go ahead and screw the speaker back in. All right, now I'm gonna grab the ear pad, install new tape. Let's remove this top piece. And now we can attach this ear pad to the speaker. Just like that. And there you have it. This was a Studio 3 wireless charger port replacement video. If you guys have any comments, you can go ahead and put it in the comment section below. We do sell these parts on our website located in the description below. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.